2 travelers paid me $29 last week to stop wrestling with time zone scheduling, and I built the tool that does it in a weekend. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 51. I'm Marcus Chen.
Wait, 2 travelers, $29 each? Tell me how that actually happened.
Quick version, a single feature, time zone aware meeting slot suggestions, solved a real pain. I validated the idea, shipped a minimal web UI, hooked Stripe, and used an AI responder for onboarding. Paid pilots started the same week.
Right, that sounds lean, but listeners will wonder, is this legit income or just a one-off? How does a micro SaaS actually produce visa qualifying revenue?
Short answer, recurring subscriptions. Nail a simple feature that a specific group will pay $9 to $49 per month for. Automate onboarding and support, and you get predictable MRR. That predictability is what immigration systems accept as income more often than one-off gigs.
Okay, I like that. But don't gloss over privacy. Collect the minimum you need, especially if customers are scattered across jurisdictions.
Absolutely. Minimal data, minimal complexity. Now here's what you're getting from this episode. The recommended stack, exact prompts you can paste, a 1-week build plan, monetization tactics for nomads, pitfalls and fixes, and a 10-minute auction to validate a paid pilot.
Sounds tight. Show me the stack first. What's cheap, quick, and travel-ready?
Pick a no-code frontend, Webflow, Glide, or Retool for a simple UI. Use a tiny serverless function on Vercel or Cloudflare workers for business logic. Store minimal state in Supabase or Airtable. Charge with Stripe. Layer an AI responder for onboarding and support. Cheap, lightweight.
And easy to fall back if one piece breaks. Good. Now the prompts. You brought the prompts, right?
Here we go. I'll break this into bite-sized bits so you can follow along. First, the idea validation prompt you paste into any GPT-style model.
I want to validate a micro SaaS idea. Customer avatar, remote community managers who schedule recurring check-ins. Problem, scheduling that respects members' time zones. Provide 5 paid pilot variations priced $9 to $29 per month. 1-sentence headline and 3 bullet value props per avatar. 2 quick survey questions for paid testers, and 3 likely objections with short rebuttals.
Nice. I would add, note any regulatory or privacy concerns and recommend data minimization steps. That flags compliance during validation.
Good addition. Next, landing page copy prompt. Short and convertible. Write a compact landing page. A 15-word headline, a 25-word subhead, 3 benefit bullets, a 3-step how it works section, and 1-sentence social proof placeholder. Direct, helpful to remote professionals.
Give me the serverless scaffold prompt too. Listeners will want code they can paste.
Generate a minimal Node.js serverless function for Vercel that accepts post with email, workspace ID, payload, validates input, writes to Supabase, calls Stripe to create a customer and subscription, use placeholder keys, and returns 200 with customer ID. Include comments and simple error handling tests.
And the AI responder prompt? Make onboarding feel human, not robotic.
You are the onboarding assistant for product. Greet the user by name, confirm the workspace goal in 1 sentence, give 2 quick steps to get started, and include a short troubleshooting tip. Keep replies under 120 words.
Perfect. Okay, break the week down for me. I want a fast cadence.
Rapid fire. Day 1, validate with the idea prompt and 5 interviews. Day 2, generate landing page and set pricing. Day 3, scaffold serverless function. Day 4, wire Stripe and connect the DB. Day 5, build and train the AI responder. Day 6, invite pilot customers and collect payments. Day 7, iterate from feedback and fix the top 2 issues.
Keep scope strict. 1 feature, 1 customer avatar. If you start adding features, you lose speed and increase maintenance.
Exactly. Now let's talk pricing and funnel. For nomads, I recommend paid pilots over free trials. Small fee, clear onboarding, and immediate validation of willingness to pay.
I'm not sure I buy charging upfront for something you haven't fully built. That could hurt reputation if the product breaks.
totally fair. Hear me out. A $9 to $29 paid pilot tests willingness to pay and reduces no-shows. You can protect reputation with a money-back guarantee and require a billing card, but promise a full refund within 7 days if the pilot doesn't meet the agreed expectations. That balance preserves trust while proving demand.
Okay, that addresses my worry. Also document expectations clearly in the pilot sign-up and your TOS.
Retention automation, weekly micro emails with usage tips, an AI-driven onboarding checklist, and an in-app one-click invite for teammates. Those tiny nudges keep MRR growing without manual work.
Let's call out the top pitfalls and fixes. Don't gloss over platform risk or overbuilding.
Top 3 traps: overbuilding before validation, relying on a single third-party API, and ignoring compliance. Mitigations: strict MVP scope, layered fallbacks and manual procedures for critical paths, and minimal data collection with clear TOS and region checks.
One practical handhold: export your prompt templates and a small calibration dataset. If you need to swap model providers, you can rerun calibration instead of rebuilding prompts from scratch.
All right, your 10-minute action. Open a chat with your chosen model and run the idea validation prompt I read earlier. Then send a 1-paragraph outreach to 5 people in your network, offering a 30-day paid pilot at your target price. If at least one says yes, create the Stripe product and send the onboarding link. 10 minutes to start the loop.
And ethically, make it easy to opt out, minimize stored data, and include a visible refund policy. Automation shouldn't hide accountability.
If you want templates, serverless scaffolds, and a guided checklist to ship in a week, join my Micro SaaS Launch Lab at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. The lab bundles copy templates, prompt packs, and a launch cohort to keep you accountable. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. This changes everything for nomads.
One final quick metric: measure activation. If users don't hit first success within 3 days, fix that funnel before adding features.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. See you tomorrow.